Mirror dash cams are an innovative solution to the problem of limited dashboard space in cars. There are many products available to choose mirror dash cams, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best mirror dash cams from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jamas 4K Mirror Dash Cam Front and Rear. The Jamas 4K Mirror Dash Cam is a great choice for drivers looking for a reliable and high-quality dash cam. It features a 11-inch IPS full touchscreen, a Type-C connector, a Starvis sensor, a parking monitor, and a free 32GB card. The 4K resolution ensures clear images, even in low light, and the flip horizontally and vertically feature make it compatible with pickups, RVs, and trucks. It also has a 24-hour parking monitor and GPS tracking for added security. Number 2. Wolfbox G9 34K 10-inch rear view mirror camera. The Wolfbox 4K mirror dash cam, model G930, is a smart rear view mirror camera that offers front 4K and rear 1080p resolution, with options to choose from 2.5K and 1080p for the front camera. The streaming media technology expands the visual range and effectively eliminates blind spots in the field of vision, providing a safer driving experience. The GPS tracking always-on feature allows you to view live speed and direction on the screen and obtain valid GPS information by reviewing all recorded videos on the GPS player. The WDR tech balances the lights, providing clear visibility when driving at night. The parking monitoring mode provides enhanced security and peace of mind for your vehicle when parked, and the loop recording and G-sensor function provides continuous and secure recording monitoring while you are away. The Type-C interface can transmit higher rate, support higher current, and has a more refined and reliable structure. Number 3. P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dash Cam. The Pelsi P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dash Cam is a great choice for those looking for a reliable and feature-rich rear-view mirror camera. It comes with ADAS collision avoidance technology, an intelligent BSD algorithm, 4K UHD dual camera, advanced voice control, GPS tracking, 24H parking monitor, loop recording, G-sensor, and time-lapse recording. It is easy to install and provides excellent video quality. Number 4. Pormido Mirror Dash Cam 12-inch with detached front camera. Pormido Mirror Dash Cam offers a unique feature with a separated front camera and a 12-inch split screen. The anti-glare technology ensures clear visibility in all lighting conditions. Adjustable parking lines and a long rear camera cable make parking effortless. You can easily zoom the rear image, and it requires only one wire for installation. The parking monitoring feature protects your battery from draining. Experience safe driving with Pormido Mirror Dash Cam. Number 5. 10-foot Mirror Dash Cam Night Vision 1080p FHD Full Touch Screen Front. Jansight Mirror Cam is a 10-foot dual 1080p front and rear view camera with a 33-feet-long camera cable, perfect for capturing ultra-clear video and license plates from a distance. Its 10-foot IPS streaming media full touchscreen provides a 3 times wider view than traditional rear-view mirrors, making it easier to operate with fast response speed. The Super Night Vision and parking assistance features help capture clear videos with enhanced details in low light conditions and display park assist lines when reversing. The loop recording and G-sensor ensure that the most important videos are not lost, and it supports 128GB SD card max. The parking monitor function acts as a surveillance camera system while the vehicle is off, always protecting the safety of the car.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.